It is odd that the biker's cliché image, right or wrong, has changed so little. Despite the many years, this country has had to accustom itself to sharing the highways with motorcycles. The distinctive sound of Pakistani iron thundering down the road can still inspire dread just by appearing in the rearview mirror. Reckless youths are now often seen tearing through the capital's roads on the back of bikes, terrorizing pedestrians. This is not something that is organized or well planned. The police try to stop these races, but as soon as their backs are turned, they start again.
The sons of VIPs and senior officials are especially targeted. Ever since we have started our mission, the rate of one-wheeling has come down.
At the same time, motorcycles inspire a longing for the open road and life without responsibility. Motorcycles are icons for independence and masculinity. Or maybe it is just cool. For some men, life as an outlaw allows them to compete and sometimes win on more even terms. They can display their toughness and independence.
गवर्नमेंट को ये चाहिए कि वो हम लोगों को प्रॉपर ट्रैक बना के दे. फिर उसके बाद
The government should make separate tracks for us to ride and facilitate our team, so there will be less nuisance and less road accidents.
ये जो environment रोडों पर जो accidents हो रहे हैं वो नहीं होंगे.
They say, when the structure of civilization too heavily represses men's free instincts, his desire for a satisfactory full life, the fool becomes a culture hero.
सिटी से बाहर कोई ऐसी जगह प्रोवाइड कर दे जहाँ ये
There should be provided a track away from the city, so the pedestrians are not bothered.
लोगों को क्या कसूर है कि उनको आप फजूल में हिट कर रहे हैं?
These youngsters convey more truth about the chaos of our society than the successful young man on the make who never examines himself. Drag racing and stunts on motorbikes have become a common occurrence on the main highways. A custom motorbike boy racer culture has emerged and the number of motorbikes in the Twin City has risen. Nobody except a biker likes a man on a motorbike. Danyal Khan, Dawn News, Islamabad.